Right, welcome back to the second part of the lesson. This topic is what is the design process. Okay, now design process isn't as complicated as what you think. Right, it's very applicable. It's something that you can use. Once you learn the design process, you can apply it to the rest of your life. You can do anything you want. Okay, for example, I'm going to give you this. Imagine this weekend you're going to plan to watch a movie with your CCA group. Okay. Now, is there some steps, is there some things you can do in order to make sure that the activity is successful? Everyone enjoys the event. Alright, is there a process? Is there a procedure? Okay, let's say, for example, you're really going to plan a movie. So first of all, you need to find out what time is everybody available. Afternoon, morning, okay? Next thing is, what is the movie, what are the movie choices that you have? Like Transformers, Maleficent, How to Train Your Dragon 2, okay? Find out which theatre are you going to watch it in. Then, after that, you're going to book the tickets. Okay, after booking the tickets, you need to find out what you're going to do after that, or what you're going to do before that. Alright, you're going to have a food, or you're going to have what. So, is there a process? Yes, there's a process in order to ensure that the activity turns out fine. What about the D&T? Is there a design process that everyone can take in order to ensure success? In fact, there are many. If you Google it on the internet, you'll see many possible process. One of them is this. Alright, if you look at the top, you see technology, you see the techniques. Alright, these will, you do all this in order to do a market analysis. Okay, you analyze the market, what are available, then you look at what are the specifications that you want in your particular design. Right, you synthesize your ideas, you generate some ideas, you generate some concepts. After that, you need to make some decision. Which design is what is the best. Then you develop it into details, like how things are going to come together, and then finally you manufacture it, and after that you sell the item. So you think about it. For example, Samsung handphones, right? Every few months they come out a new model. iPhone, every few years they come out a new model. Now, how do they do that? There are many. This is one of the processes that they take. Now, if there are so many processes, then which one do we adopt? Right, so MOE has one. This is the recommended design process for you. You look at the 5 bubbles, the yellow bubbles. Situation is one of them. Research is the number 2. Number 3, ideation. Number 4, development. And number 5, realization. Now, we will go through step by step. And this is one of the models that we always refer you to. You need to know exactly where you are in the design process in order to come up with suitable response to how you go about doing a design. Okay, so design technology isn't that difficult. There is a process that we follow. Alright, obviously there is the inspiration part and there's a creativity part that we're going to talk about, and we will guide you through this design process in order for you to have a good outcome. Okay, so what are the 5 key steps? Number 1, situation. 2, research. 3, ideation. 4, development. And 5, realization. So these are the 5 key steps that will ensure success in your D&T project.